Welcome to this complete Nerja Spain travel guide. Nestled on Spain's southern coast, Nerja is known for its pristine beaches, ancient caves of Nerja, and the Old Town. The local culture is vibrant, seen in shows and the Church of El Salvador. Adventure beckons from the cliffs of Marrochero Gordo and the clear waters. Local cuisine served at chiringuitos is delectable. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore these gems that make Nerja sparkle. From natural wonders to cultural experiences, we've got it covered. So buckle up, we're about to embark on a magical journey through Nerja. Let's unearth the past by visiting the caves of Nerja and the Nerja Museum. Discover a subterranean wonderland of stalactites and stalagmites, millions of years in the making. The caves of Nerja house the world's largest stalagmite, a 32-meter natural marvel. Uncover the cave's historical stories through ancient cave paintings. Crave more? Visit the Nerja Museum. Here, artifacts depict the region's past, from prehistory, Roman times, to the present. The museum's exhibits offer timeless journey. History buffs, you're in for a treat. Ready for some sun, sand, and sea? Welcome to Nerja's largest and most popular spot, Burriana Beach. Sandy paradise is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or even spotting marine life. If you're more adventurous, grab a kayak or explore underwater with snorkeling gear. Nerja's waters teem with colorful fish and intricate coral formations. If you prefer tranquility, visit Playa de Maro, a secluded beach offering a serene seaside experience. So, whether you're a beach lover, adventure seeker, or marine enthusiast, Nerja's coast has it all. Don't forget to pack your swimsuit. Now let's head to one of Nerja's most iconic spots. The balcony of Europe, situated in the heart of this quaint town, offers an enchanting vista. Imagine a locale where the sea kisses the sky. The horizon extends endlessly. The sun paints the heavens. As you walk along this promenade, peace and excitement envelop you. The sea breeze, soothing waves, and the sun's warmth compose a calming symphony. It's a place where time halts, enticing you to immerse in nature's grandeur. A traveler or a first-time visitor, the balcony of Europe is a must-see. Get your cameras ready for this one. Let's lose ourselves in the charming old town. The heart of Nerja, a labyrinth of narrow streets exuding the scent of traditional cuisine, embodies a melting pot of cultures. Moorish architecture blends with whitewashed Spanish houses as cobblestones polished by time pave our way. Local artisans and bakers offer insight into a traditional, slower-paced lifestyle. Colorful ceramics, hand-woven textiles, and fresh produce catch our eyes as explore. An old plaza, a gathering spot for locals, sits hidden under orange trees, the old town of Nerja, where every corner holds a story. It's like stepping back in time. Next, let's embrace the great outdoors. Picture the cliffs of Marrochero Gordo. Rugged terrain, wildflowers scenting the air, wildlife symphony all around. Ascend to breathtaking views of the sea below. Experience the Rio Chilar walk. A cool stream, towering rocks, lush vegetation, cascading water providing a soothing melody. Witness vibrant bird life overhead, intricate patterns etched into cliffs by Mother Nature. Nature lovers, this is your paradise. Let's immerse ourselves in Spanish culture. Experience the heart of flamenco in Nerja, a dance of passion. It's not just a rhythmic performance, but a story of love, loss, and joy. Our journey takes us to the Church of El Salvador, an architectural marvel from the 17th century. A place of reflection, it blends unique styles with intricate artistry, a must-see for history and architecture lovers. In Nerja, every corner is a cultural treasure-waiting discovery. Prepare to be enchanted. And of course, no trip to Spain would be complete without some delicious food. In Nerja, beachfront chiringuitos serve the freshest, local taste treats. There you can savor seafood, paella and other delights, while the Mediterranean waves create a serene paella, a vibrant dish with seafood, chicken, and is a must-try. As is pescadito frito, a satisfying dish of deep-fried fish. Don't miss gazpacho, the famed cold soup, and for dessert, tarta de almendra, a sweet almond cake. So settle at a chiringuito, enjoy the sea breeze, and brace for a unique culinary adventure. Bon appetit! And that's a wrap on our Nerja travel guide. We've explored the caves of Nerja, strolled the balcony of Europe, and relaxed on Burriana Beach. We've visited the Nerja Museum and the old town's cobblestone streets. We've sunbathed on Playa de Maro and hiked the cliffs of Marrochero Gordo. We've kayaked, paddleboarded, and enjoyed flamenco. We've found peace in El Salvador Church and braved a Rio Chilar walk. We've tasted cuisine by the beach and discovered underwater wonders, so pack your bags, embrace adventure, and prepare to make memories. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you're now excited to explore Nerja for yourself. When the sun goes down, Nerja comes alive, transforming from tranquil to vibrant. The streets buzz with energy as nightlife emerges, offering a unique flavor of Spanish entertainment. Tutti Frutti Square, the heart of Nerja's nightlife, caters to all. It's a hub of pulsating dance music, soulful flamenco rhythms, and lively clubs. Hemingway's, known for live music and excellent cocktails, is a favorite among locals and tourists. As the day turns into night, don't retreat. Instead, put on your dancing shoes and join the fun. The magic of Nerja doesn't end when the sun goes down, it simply takes on a different hue. Now, after a night of dancing and laughter, you'll need a place to rest your head, recharge, and prepare for another exciting in Nerja. The town offers accommodations to suit all budgets and preferences. Consider Parador de Nerja for a lavish retreat, Hostal Dians for budget-friendly comfort, or a traditional Spanish guest house for cultural immersion. Choosing your accommodation involves considering location, amenities, and budget. Above all, remember that wherever you choose to stay, Nerja's welcoming spirit and stunning beauty will be right at your doorstep. So here's to sweet dreams in Nerja, and to waking up refreshed and ready to explore more of what this magical town has to offer. Getting around Nerja is a breeze. Its manageable size and well-structured layout make it easy to explore, whether on foot, bike, or public transit. Walking lets you experience the town's charm leisurely. Its quaint streets, filled with shops, cafes, and colorful buildings, feel like a postcard come alive. Biking offers a healthy, eco-friendly way to see more. Nerja's public transit system is efficient, reliable, and ideal for those seeking relaxation. If you wish to explore further, consider renting a car, but keep in mind Spain's driving regulations. So whether you walk, bike, ride, or drive, the journey in Nerja is as memorable as the destination. Experience the local culture through Nerja's vibrant festivals. This town is known for its lively events that provide insight into the traditions and customs of its people. Highlighted is the Carnival, a pre-Lenten festival full of costumes and parades. Coming next is the Easter week, a dramatic reenactment of the Passion of Christ. Lastly, the most awaited is the San Isidro Festival in May, a traditional Andalusian celebration. Each festival offers unique traditions and foods, making them a sensory feast. So, if you want to experience Nerja at its most vibrant and authentic, consider planning your visit around these cultural events. Let's celebrate and immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry that is Nerja's festive spirit. So, when is the best time to visit Nerja? It depends on your preferences. With a Mediterranean climate, Nerja offers warm summers and mild winters. For beach lovers, June to August are ideal. However, if you prefer tranquility and nature, consider visiting in spring, or each season in Nerja has its unique charm, from vibrant spring flowers to autumnal colors. Regardless of when you visit, Nerja will welcome you with its charm and warm hospitality. In our next scene, we will delve into the world of Nerja's hidden gems, a treat for the curious traveler. Stay tuned.